mo, okay, di ba close kayo ni Vice? Na-share mo that you have a sitcom, comedy sitcom?
Yeah. I was able to tell him that I'm trying to put myself into showbiz. Pero, as I've said earlier, it's just a summer thing for me. Especially the UAP season's about to start in a couple of months. But I'm going to ask him for some tips probably to make life easier when it comes to the screens. Kasi yun nga, kahit pa paano, kaming apat, nasa adjustment stage pa kami, kapaan, pero you know, with direct, it's been fun, it's been easy actually.
Ano bumasok sa isip mo when it was given to you, like comedy show agad? No first reaction?
Honestly, the first pitch was I was just the guesting for someone else na pag hindi siya pwede, pag hindi siya available for another player. So, sabi ko, yes, I would be open to trying it out even though hindi ako weekly. And then eventually, yung player na yun, na-injure siya. Unfortunately, na-injure siya. So, sabi ko sa sarili ko na baka para sa akin. So, tinanggap ko na rin talaga. So, another blessing for me na matest ko din yung other side ko when it comes to not just being a basketball player. Kasi in real life, kuwela din naman talaga ako. Makulit din akong tao. So, sitcom, I think, kaysa drama na malalabas ko talaga yung real self ko without being conscious about people around me. Of course, syempre, may mga limits pa rin. Pero, nabibring out ko rin talaga yung self.
How was the experience so far?
We've shot probably like 7-8 episodes already. It's been great. Yung time namin together sa set, dami talaga namin napapagkwentuhan. Especially yung sa mga artista, kung sabi, nagkwentuhan mo na grabe, ganito pala buhay nila. Hindi din ganun kadali na naisip mo na nakakapagpasaya sila ng tao, nakakapag-entertain sila ng tao, pero yung behind the scenes that sobrang puhunan talaga, tulog, yung pagkain mo, yung puyat. So, ma-appreciate mo talaga yung entertainment na binibigay nila sa amin. Kasi being viewers also.
So, napapuyat ka sa taping?
Hindi naman. Kasi kami may limit kami.
Because you're not allowed, diba?
Yeah. We have, not just me, but the other players as well. Kasi when we started, the PBA was ongoing. And well, basically as an athlete, you can.
You can.
You can. So, sila direct very understandable naman when it comes to that kasi as you all know, we still have our priorities. Well, I'm a water boy grown into a tricycle driver. This is the first time I've rode a motorcycle in this sitcom. So, at first, it was scary. Pero just like learning how to ride the bike with training wheels. So I was able to adjust. So basically, yung character ko dito, ako yung parang anak nila lahat. Kasi ako yung pinakabata. So ako yung palaging nabubuli, ako yung palaging ape. So yun lang, kailangan natin abangan yun. It's another side of me. Not really being detached with Kiefer Ravena as a person in real life. Na kuwela pa rin talaga na ako rin to. So, wala rin difference.
So, napapuli ka rin?
Kasi ako lagi, linaloko ako lagi ng mga teammates ko na ba't wala na naman ako sa practice, so it comes with that. More on teasing, not just bullying siguro. More on lokohan lang din talaga.
Pumasok ka na sa showbiz, handa ka na ba sa mga intriga?
Well, yes. Wala lang namin yung pinasok namin even though ngayon, naiintriga kami, di ba? Or ako. But, it's part of life. It's just on how will you handle it well or how should you handle it.
Kamusta na kayo ni Mika Reyes?
We're back to our priorities. It's just for her. I don't want to put myself in a position to talk about us, but it would be better if it comes from her.
Kayo ba?
Well, hindi na kami. But on the story regarding on how it happened, it's just better for her.
So for now, you are single and attached?
Yes.
ba? Parang, paano, anong reaction mo about it sa mga nagsasabi na one factor daw is si Jasmine Curtis Bill?
Oh, that was new. Well, Jazz and I think we go well. We're very good friends. We're schoolmates for a year, and I think it's nothing more than that.
Pero possible ba na magkaroon ng ligawan mo si
Ngayon, I think we're good as friends first. We haven't really been close to each other, like close friends talaga, as long as we see each other outside, hi, hello, kwentuhan na konti. Ganun lang. Pero, ngayon, I just see us as really good friends.
Pero diba you admitted to parang one interviews na she's kind of your type?
Tinanong lang ako kasi gusto ko maging leading lady, if ever.
Okay.
Kasi with Jazz being my friend, matutulungan niya ako to work easier and comfortable ako sa kanya kasi nga, kaibigan kami. So, yun lang siguro. Yun lang yung sinabi ko talaga.
At least clear na hindi siya part ng